Save our planet. Genetically modified crops leach insecticide into the environment. Researchers at the Carey Institute of Ecosystem Studies in New York, USA, have detected the presence of a protein with insecticidal properties in a significant number of the 217 streams tested in the Corn Belt region of the American Midwest. Genetically modified corn contains a gene from a certain bacteria which is inserted into the plant, making it toxic to a type of beetle that eats corn. This gene produces the insecticidal protein that the scientists found at a quarter of the sites tested.
Once the corn has been harvested, the stalks remain in the fields, and the decomposing plant material is washed into streams. Study spokeswoman and aquatic ecologist Dr. Emma Rossi Marshall affirmed, "Our research adds to the growing body of evidence that corn crop byproducts can be dispersed throughout a stream network, and that the compounds associated with genetically modified crops, such as insecticidal proteins, can enter nearby water bodies." Other researchers have pointed out that the local runoff eventually drains into regions with wider impacts such as the Great Lakes and the Mississippi River, which in turn flows into the sea.
Researchers, we thank you for this important work showing the unnatural risks inherent in genetically modified organisms. May humans strive instead to live in harmony with nature for an abundant and sustainable future.
During a March 2009 video conference in Mexico, Supreme Master Ching Hai addressed audience concerns regarding genetically modified food, pointing out a lasting way to stop the need for such detrimental production practices.
Genetically modified food is not very good for health. We don't need that. If we don't raise anymore, we have enough food, extra, for everybody, even to feed freely to the hungry people, free of charge, and still have 1 billion portion left over. The more we use chemical and pesticide, the worse the soil become. That is the problem. And the more we use, the more our health will be at risk, and the more the rivers and ocean will be depleted of oxygen, the more dead zones will be created, and the less food we have, and the shorter our lifespan. So, the more we use organic, natural farming method, the more food we have, the healthier we become, and the healthier the soil will become, and from then on, the soil will recover, and then we will have more and more abundance of food. So organic vegan farming is good for everything, and good for us, and good for the farmers to have new jobs, good for our health, good for the planet.